monkey is falling off.
Oh dear.
So is Santa guy.
Well, that's a good idea, because some can hang down. That's lovely. Very good.
Oh, cool.
Those are little people. Hello, little elf.
What? Mum, why does it have this?
It's just how he's made, sweetie. Oh, he got a pine needle on him. Do you know who made that? Great Grandma Cockle.
Hey!
Hey! He had it forever, about 10 years.
Wee!
Toby, you do this one for me.
Hello!
Oh, no.
Hello!
I need to.
That's enough now, Tobes. That's enough.
Hello! Hello!
Toby, come do some ornaments. Oh, now, Toby, this was a present. Oh, no, maybe this was for Aiden. A little star Emma gave it to one of you.
Emma?
Mm.